Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and initiating the first diagnostics. You power down, reset SATA and power cables, then boot into BIOS to confirm the storage device appears. Once done, run the built-in Smart Check or use a small USB utility to read health stats. This tells you if the disk shows imminent failure. Make sure to plug in a backup drive now and prepare a recovery USB so that if data extraction is needed, you can act without delay. Now you proceed to the middle, more complex steps, cloning and repair. You create a sector-level clone to a healthy drive to preserve recoverable data. This prevents further stress on the failing device. Once cloning completes, boot from the clone and run file system repair tools, chkdsk on Windows or fsck on Linux, to fix logical errors. If files are missing, run targeted recovery software on the image. Keep monitoring smart values and avoid writing to the original drive to prevent additional damage. Finish by replacing the faulty hardware and restoring the cloned image to the new drive so the system boots normally. You confirm boot order, check key files for integrity, and run a quick performance test, then set up automated backups to prevent repeat loss. If problems continue, system won't boot or errors remain, try swapping cables and testing another SATA port or power connector, because intermittent connectors mimic drive failure. If still unresolved, consider professional data recovery as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.